Different ways to tie shoelaces for different types of shoes. Most people don't even know these tricks. 1. Straight bar lacing for canvas shoes. Thread the laces straight across, row by row. It's simple and clean, and wearing your shoes like this makes you look neat and tidy. 2. Reverse, loop, knot, lacing. Just tie a small knot each time the lace passes through the eyelets. The overall look is stylish and refined, making your shoes even more fashionable. 3. Figure 8, lacing. Tie a figure 8 knot in the middle of the laces. Once it's fully done, it looks super cute. 4. Bow tie, lacing. Cross the two laces, wrap them around each other once in the middle, and tie the bow. Once you learn it, your shoes will look much more delicate. 5. Braided lacing. Weave the two laces together from top to bottom, and then bottom to top. The result is clean, neat, and elegant. 6. Sports lock. Lacing. Interlace the shoelaces and pull the ends tight. It's perfect for working out or for people whose laces come undone easily. 7. Lucky knot. Lacing. Tie a little lucky knot in the middle. It looks beautiful and instantly makes your shoes more decorative. 8. Single side reverse loop. Lacing. Tie the knots only on one side of the shoe. The crossing method is super simple and gives your shoes a unique look. Have you learned these shoelace tying tricks?